Hello everyone, my name is Jasper Fless, and today I'm gonna be showing a trick that I found out about 2x2 Rubik's Cube. As you see, 2x2 Rubik's Cube. There's something I found out about 2x2 Rubik's Cube. There was a TikTok about, the normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube, where, if you turn the top clockwise and the side forward counterclockwise, then it would resolve itself, like if it was in any position. So I figured this to be a lie, and so then I tested it out on my 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Well, then once I did it on my 2x2 Rubik's Cube, I came to a discovery. If you do it with the 2x2 Rubik's Cube and you spin it at the start enough, it will resolve itself. It will scramble itself and assemble itself. So, let me just show you. So I got my 2x2 Rubik's Cube here. So, my Rubik's Cube. So I normally have the white side up. I normally have orange facing me. And so, like that. And if you spin it, clockwise, like that, and the left side forward, like that. If you do that enough, then you will resolve itself. It takes 18 spins for it to go through and scramble and reassemble itself. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you can do this to trick your friends or something like that. It's a cool thing for fidgeting with. I thought I'd just tell everyone about it. But you can trick your friends by like going 13 or 14 and like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or maybe 13 just to be safe. So it's all scrambled. Then you can say, hey, I can solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube in not too long. I don't know. Then you just continue the procedure until it resolves itself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.